Igama 2ringz elentwana engalenza iphutha ngireporta le ndaba ngiphuma KZN emntubatuba ngiphuza imfolozi flow ayiphela ihlezi eningi neniyanishodela nikhongozela empompini behind the scene bekufihlwe mina beast bengibabuka bezenza ama tiger but I'm still the main character kule movie engapheli ngiphabaza ngepeni sangiphenduka ithayi ngihleze ngiphusha ihustle emgwaqeni nilahle ngokuthi imali duma nifuna i-challenge sekude ile hustle bafowethu uChris.
Yeah, we Chris Network.
Network. On YouTube, yes sir.
No, danke introduction man.
Yeah.
Nako by the Christmas. Wamini ngokwamadansela thina singumtimandi ndeda singobhambulo ngingabambi kuzeza nonini ekhakhonela kaMtamba. I'm doing this best show. It makes any other show look so stupid and work online. I'm thanking you, loving. Yeah, man. This today episode is sponsored by Fino Cosmetics. Online is www.finocosmetics.co.za. My brother, welcome to the show.
Yebo bhuti ngibonga kakhulu ngethuba ngibonge nangesikhathi nje ukuba la kuyi daily hustle. Yeah, kusazoba mnandi kakhulu. Kakhulu.
Angiphinde ngenye nje.
Uyazi. Let us face the facts. Emtubi flag ingami liphakamile. Ngokhiye wami umnyango nguvulile. Damn, I'm not done yet. Ziphone ngithukelana. And appreciate kuphela nje ntume samanga. Ne 2ringz uyasichathela niconvince abantu nifuna bekholwe nikushoyo. What a waste of time. Uma izosuka ayidume kanjalo. Kumele usebenze kanzima ukuze udla amandla akho. Ningizondela imizamo yami. It's funny though. How could you hate umuntu owazi story sakhe? Oh, umuntu owazi ukuthi uphuma. Umuntu owazi ukuthi ufunani, owazi ukuthi ubheke. Damn. Listen to the kid usekiphethin. Ukuthi umdala kusho lutho egaming. Listen, abantu bafuna into esolid. Umusic bawuthanda kakhulu ngemeaning. I don't need a car right now ngishayela isiphikile. Ungibona ngirapper comfortable. Mina beating that side indlala ihlasele ekhala amathintini. Ngisemabhozeni ngidlala ichairs ayama-tin tips. Listen to the kid was my first song on a tape. Eyangifake ey'ntweni yangisa 2 times emsakazweni ngikhuluma ngokhozi. Damn yazini imini goat. Umzansi uyangifatela from Durban to Jozi. Let me get back to square one. Konke ngikwenze ngi-1. Isupport ngithole kuma friends include uma wami. I appreciate. Ngaba ngikho kwalana singahambisana ilevel yona isoze yafana. I grew up eNkunduzi. Kankomo kayixoshe. Masihlangana ngima-shows abanye bengisupporta. Bethi 2ringz push up boys funa ukubona upopa kunjani manje ngemini bayangikhomba. 2ringz igama into engalenza iphutha. Yes sir.
Uphuma isipero sakho sithini ukhule kanjani ekhaya ukhule nabo ukhuliswa ubani izinto ezikanjalo no artist like every artist got a story to tell. Just when I hear you.
Ivari leyo ngiqale nje ngibingelele wonke umuntu obhekile right now obheke i-daily hustle. Igama lami ngusizwe real name usizwe sibongo kwaGazu ngiphuma emntubatuba nakwaNongoma picture right umntuba ngiphuma emntuba nakwaNongoma cause ngikhulele ezindaweni ezimbili but umusic la ngwenze khona ngiyoqala emntubatuba bros. Ila khona ngiqale khona umusic
then. So ukhula ekhaya ukhula kanjani uMagriza ithime ne holiday likhona la?
Ithime likhona khona eGoli liyaspana eGoli so ngikhule nje ngaphansi kwesandla sika gogo nesandla sika ma-Oled okuma loyo so ngikhule ngomthandazo ngenkabe ekhule ngomthandazo ke mina gogo wami kunesonto egcekeni njalo ntambama uyasibiza sithandaze so ngiyintwana ekhule ngomthandazo
kanjani esontweni
ngiyarepheka khona cause asithuka inhlambo no umusic engiwenzayo mina uclean like awunayo inhlamba cause manje isikhathi esiningi like music lo esiwenzayo thina wama rapper bawuthatha as if umusic obad abanye cause manje laba bacabangena kuqala bangena ngendlela engekho right so masina sizama ukuthi siushintshe sobuyise lesimene ube grand. That's the point.
So tell me your first day udibana noMabhiza.
MBZet nensimbi sibale. MBZet bengimazi dala like bengakangazi ngaleso sikhathi. Ngiphusha umusic nginokuzwa umsebenzi wakhe eThekwini like eThekwini ama artists amaningi aproducer uMabhiza eThekwini so even today I producer manje so ukuhlangana kwami noMabhiza bengihlezi ngifisa nje ukubona uMabhiza cause bengiza umsebenzi wakhe ontswempu yabo ngize netag yakhe ethi MBZet nensimbi sibale so ngisho ngithi ngiyafisa ukuhlangana nale nkabi because iproduce quality, you know. So ila ngahlangana khona amabhiza ngamsendela umsebenzi wami, and uyazi ke vele abantu mawukuthi abakakwazi baya ngathi abakunaki, even bakublutika mabekublutika, but till ngibe connected nenkabi yami ekuthiwa ulow puzzle. So upuzzle uyena bomngani ka MBZet close no MBZet. So uMBZet mina ukuze ngene la focus and ngimethe through ulow puzzle because uyena wanginvite studio. So ila khona ngathola ukuthi ngihlangana no MBZet. Kushe leyo nto.
Shout out to Puzzle.
A big shout out to Puzzle, man. I know he's watching right now.
Yeah. Big loud. So for that, there's so many genres. You know, you can do R&B, you can do gospel. Why hip hop?
Hip hop like ngezwe ngathi iwona music engathi mangwenza usheshe ufike message like band, because hip hop ishanga amagama short, you know, like a short ayashesha nje ukufika, like even ngakuthiwa ushaya ini ayasho ukufika, but afika ngendlela ezihlukile, yabo, because abanye kunokushaya ama punchline umuntu ukufike kuyena umqondo ombili, you know. So hip hop ngikhule kahle mina ngiuthanda music, like bro ngikhule ngithanda music, and like ngikhule ngiyilida starter miya emakhaya. Thokoza mfana. So ngikhule ngiyilida starter miya emakhaya. Kumnandi kunje yangilida even nasesikoleni kuma oral bengithanda ukuthi ngibe yilida, sidla ama marks lapha esikoleni, you know, and yeah.
Poetry at some point.
Nah, bengayishaya poetry, you know. Uzubona ukuthi le nto iconfuse kanjani, because maybe ngenza ezinye izinto kodwa ngiende lapha ngesesa ngikuyi hip hop, you know. So ilokho ngikubukela ukuthi mangithi ngiqala ngilayela izingoma ze hip hop ngiyakwazi ukubamba ama lyrics wamanye ama artists. So ilapha engaqala khona ukuthi kuse awuthi ngidownload i-beats ngiqale ngifunde ngokwami ukuzibhalela, you know, engaqala ngafunda ukubhala, then yonke into lapho yabe siyihambela. Yeah, like ngikhule ngidownload i-beats like because bekunzima ukuthi sithole ama beat makers, sithole yabona nje i-studio bekunzima ukuthi sithole i-studio, bro.
Yeah. No, man, that's nice. So ngitshela esikoleni boyintwana enjani? Esileh beqhubana.
Esikoleni, and I'm sure all mata bami babhekile ngoba sixoxa kanje. Mina bengihlupha esikoleni. But bengihlupha kamnandi because bengihlupha lingangeni icala. Yabo, like bengiclown mina. Akazi lingeni icala ukuthi ngiyaxoshwa, yabo. Bengiclown too much, ngihlekise eklasini. Kuyekufundwa nje ke ngiphazamise, you know. Angithandi kodwa ukuthi ngibe proud ngalokho ukuthi ngangiphazamisa because akukho grand. And nomunye ubukaya ngisho ukuthi akaphazamise, you know. So mina kwakwenzeka kumina lokho because ngangithanda music kakhulu. Sasike siphume esikoleni sikhulu siplane into wrong, sithi hayi siyokwenza ukuthi kanti siyo performer somewhere, yabo. So yeah, ngakidana nje kanje letha lo music and enamanga at some point escale, you know. Yeah ukuze iqhubeke.
Now usebenza no MBZet. Iphilinye artist mhlawumbe ongayibona ongajabulela ukuthi uyibone usebenza nayo.
Ama artists engifisa ukusebenza nawo maningi kakhulu, brazo, maningi kakhulu. Even ama producers amanye ngiyafisa ukusebenza nawo, but to name the few ngizobala uNesty Singh ngiyafisa ukusebenza noMfoka Ngcobo. uMfoka Ngcobo wenza kakhulu, uMapolo wenza kakhulu, mfowethu uDavid, uDavid igama lakhe. So ngiyafisa ukusebenza noNesty Singh, wenza kahle kakhulu, and into engiyithandayo ufocus lo like into yakhe uyayazi story sakhe. Bese kuzoba uSjava, Sjava kaJamindla inkunzi malanga, ngiyamhlonipha lo yababa kakhulu, and ngiyafisa futhi nami ukusipana naye, ngizibona ngiseduze kwakhe sisha umsebenzi. Baningi kakhulu engifisa ukusipana nabo, but ngizobala labo kwamanje, but baningi. Yeah.
Bani crush yakho la
la Macherry. Zinkinga lezo. Zinkinga kakhulu lezo, kodwa awuthi ngithatha uBoy, hey. Awuthi ngithatha uBoy, hey. Boy I want that ad, dog. You know that, man. uBoy the dog like, hey, ghost. Ghost, like, you know.
So ngitshele in 2 years uzibona ukuphi?
In 2 years ngiyibona sengipopile, bro. Like in 2 years ngizibona nginayo yonke into, ngizibona ngiwu2ringz. And futhi le 2ringz i-aim yami kahle my brother, ngi-independent, angisayinanga ndawo, you know. So yeah, i-aim yami
just to educate abantu abasemakhaya. Ngifuna ukwazi reason yakho ukuthi why ungasayini kwi record label.
For now angaphushele ekuthenini like mhlambe ngize ngisubmit music wami kuma record labels, yabo. Asikafiki leso sikhathi leso ukuthi ngisubmit.
Would you like to work with your record label?
For exposure, yes. Mhlambe ngasayina iminyaka emincane, nakhona phela mawusayina ama contracts uyafunda, you know. Like ungathathi iminyaka eminingi, abanye bayilimaza, abanye bathi iminyaka mhlambe donsa ko 10, 5 or something, you know. kanti abazi ukuthi ngaphakathi ziyabuya ziyakhala cause ziyakhala eSouth Africa vele amalebuli ase-South Africa nje ayikhalisa you know cause ama-artist awekho happy kule space samanje i-artist liyapopa but still libe broke lifane nomuntu ohleli nje ekhaya oyiphusha music independent njenganathi you know.
But you have a record label in your mind ukuthi ngifuna mangasebenza at least na this record label.
Yeah khona wena but angeke ngize ngwa-reveal because leyo nto I think ihamba ikumisela izinto yabo thola mhlawumbe kuzoba nelebuli oyifunayo but wena iyakubonela ukuthi umake leya lebuli so ugcine sewuba nenkinga so yeah angeke ngize ngwaneme ngamagama lawo malebuli but akhona ngifisa ukusipana nawo but nakhona mangisipana mina njengoba ngisho ukuthi for exposure because mhlawumbe ngayo iminyaka emibili okanye umnyaka owodwa no half sisebenzele kuleyo minyaka siphushele leyo minyaka leyo bese ngirelease album then sibone ukuthi kwenzakalani makukhona umehlo kwenzakalayo and ayikho siyaqhubeka sasipana but nje izinto engayitholi kahle because kunokwenzeka izinto ezingatholakala lapha exactly lento engizama ukuyisho no yeah so yeah okwamanje hayi singasebenza but bese ngiyayiphumela because inhloso ukuthi ngibe independent forever kahle kahle
have your own record label
yeah lento ngifuna ukuyi-own label yami like yeah.
No man, I hear you. Kumuntu osekhaya njengamanje ofuna ukungena kwe-hip hop mhlawumbe uyacabanga uhlele ekhaya you know what I want to do this thing but the thing mhlawumbe ngisemakhaya akhona ukuthola i-access kwizinto ezibhaya it's an advice yakho
for me like into eshaya abantu abaningi my brother ilento yokuthi abantu bayawuthanda umusic bayaphusha mara indlela abaphusha ngayo indlela siphusha ngayo ifani khona umuntu owenza umusic just for fun khona umuntu owenza umusic ngokuthi uyazi ukuthi uphumaphi uyazi futhi ukuthi ufunani so into engayisho kulabo bafisa abaphushayo into yakho mawuyithanda ufocusile entweni yakho uya ngepassion nangehanga ila khona ozoyithola khona into but mawuphusha just for fun ukuthi wena ufuna uyaflexa like ufuna mhlawumbe izingane like igenge eningi yenza umusic just for ukuthi yenze nje you know but khona laba serious into engayisho kubona ukuthi abaphushe befaka umoya bengapheli la ku music kunezilingo eziningi you know obazohlangabezana nazo too much
depression
exactly yeah yabo so
wena mhlawumbe una-advise ongabona ukuthi singayi-avoida kanjani i-depression
i-depression like singayi-avoida kalula ekutheni sisiyekeni ukufuna izinto esibona kahle ukuthi asizokuyithola kuleso space you know okay ke so grand so uyitholile izinto bese siyayeka futhi ukucabanga kakhulu kuze kweqe because lento eshayo ukuthi sicabanga kakhulu and futhi into okumele yenzeke ukuthi sikhulume like ama-artist akhulumisane because lento ukuthi indoda ayikhali hayi bro I don't think iyasebenza ayisipani bro ayisipani ukuthi indoda ayikhali like siyakhala samadoda and kumele sikhala like khala ukuze izinto zakho zoba grand khala uhile you know ukhala uyahila yakundlule yo
umsebenzi siwenzile ngazi ukuthi mhlambe you done like couple of tracks iyiphi i-track yabona le is the one
yo bro like ama-tracks esengiwenzile maningi kakhulu and i-most yawo for me abantu bayawathanda bawa-receive ngendlela emnandi you know because manje noba mangathiwa ngiyaposta right now ngithi anishona ingoma yami like eniyithandayo koqhamuka izingoma ezihlukene lemi sengiposte epagini on Facebook like okanye noma ikuphi ngithi anisho izingoma zami noba kasho ingoma ayithandayo like bawuqhamuka nezingoma ezihlukene but ingoma for me engathi hayi yona yo I don't wanna lose man I ngiyayithanda le ngoma ithi I don't wanna lose.
You know what was going through your mind when you wrote that song?
Ukuthi izinto eziningi sengizenze ngingedwa you know like izinto eziningi ngizenze ngiyi-one izinto eziningi for i-hustle from the scratch ngiziphushe mina like I don't wanna lose everything you know esengiyisebenzele kanzima nanokuthi ke ngiyisosha ngoba yonke into engiyenzayo mina iyaphumelela. Yeah.
My favorite.
Ngiyisosha. Ngiyofela empini like ngikumusic and ngiyazi ukuthi ngeke ngize ngiwe futhi ngeke ngize ngishone phansi.
We don't wanna lose.
Wathi ngisosha fela empini. Njengepiste zami eziphele stikini sikhonkothi imoto emile ngile moto ehamba yongishiya bemile akukho ngakwenzela umuntu ebonge akukho ngakwenzela umuntu encome akukho ngakwenzela umuntu avume uzohleze ekufuna i-challenge ekubuyisele encome ibhande lisengalweni imina ukapteni what you gonna say okay can somebody call a sway we got a hyena ephunyuke ku-cage damn please be patient your time will come ungadideki ungaluzi focus uzohlezi uwina wonke ama-fight one day manike uzoyibona i-income uRings igama into engalenze futhi.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming to the show.
Yeah.
Bro. No, I appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Man, your last message, ekhagini babhekile njengamanje, your last message ukuthi yazi.
Yeah, into engayisho nje ekhaya ukuthi ngiyabonga support indlela abangisupporte ngayo ku music like ngiqala bebengabelieve entweni engenza uthili ngithole ama interviews are serious like from ukhosini FM till ngiphushe ingoma yami beyiplay ingoma yethu onegeng bayiplaylist ku channel O so ile abaqala khona ukurecognize ukuthi hayi lo mfethu ukhona la yakhona so baqala ba believe la kumina because uma wale even uma wami ngamtshela mina ngathi no ma mina ngifuna ukuthi like exactly like abazali banale mentality ukuthi ukuze ube something kumele ube into ethile banocompetition wena nengane yaka neighbor you know like leyo nto ayenzi sense because manje awazi like baphila kanjani bakhuleka benza njani i-system yabo isebenza kanjani ayawazi but
exactly doing the professional jobs and they are not happy
so into engizama ukisho ukuthi ifamily yami ikwazile ukushintsha imiqondo yakwazi ukuthi inginikeze ithuba nami ngiziprove kubona ukuthi ngizophuma nani ekuningi sengikwenzile because ngiyakwazi ukuba supporter ngalawo masento music engiwatholayo endleleni ngoba ngilokho ngiphusha.
Thank you so much my brother, I really appreciate your time. This is Daily Hustle on YouTube is Chris Network. Go and subscribe, press the notification bell, and we're on. This today episode is sponsored by Fino Cosmetics. It's www.fino.co.za. Go and get your Fino, grow your beard, grow your hair. Man, I'm doing this best show. It makes any other show look so stupid and bad. So it's all I can Daily Hustle, we out.